Imagine you have a list of 10,000 customer orders, and you need to filter them by a specific date range. But the date range keeps changing. In Excel 2026, you can use the filter function in combination with dynamic arrays to achieve this without having to refresh the list every time the date range changes. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create a dynamic filter in Excel that updates automatically whenever the date range changes. To start, let's create a simple example. We have a list of customer orders with the order date, product name, and total sales. In cell A1, we'll enter the formula equals filter A2, C1000 A2, A1000 equals January 1st, 2024, and A2, A1000 equals December 31st, 2024. This formula filters the list to show only orders from the year 2024. The filter function takes two arguments: the range of cells we want to filter and the condition we want to apply.